In Vrindavan Lila, for example, Madhu Mangal, Krishna's funny Brahmana friend, he utilizes these same principles every morning when he eats breakfast with Krishna and the cowherd boys in Nandagram. Pointing towards the window of Nanda Maharaj's palace, Madhu Mangal blurts out, "Oh, hey boys, look at that silly monkey hanging upside down in the Kadamba tree." So that's sight. After capturing everyone's attention with his sound, his voice, and the sight of the monkey, Madhu Mangal quickly steals all the sweets from his neighbor's plates. So everyone's looking out the window, and then he goes. So the following concentration technique, which combines sound and sight, perfectly controls the mind and engages it in serving Krishna. While chanting the holy names, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Gaze steadily at a picture of Radha and Krishna for 5 minutes. Close the eyes after 5 minutes, after gazing steadily for 5 minutes, right here, see? Then internally try to visualize the same picture, all the details. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. During visualization, when you're looking, when your eyes are open, during visualization, this is internal visualization. During your internal visualization, move the mind over the various limbs of the Lord. Begin with seeing Krishna's lotus feet in your mind. Then gradually rise up his transcendental body to his legs, knees, thighs, and then see his silk dhoti, his belly, his chest, his pearl necklaces and garlands, Kaustubh gem, his neck, face, eyes, flute, smile, hair, turban ornaments, and peacock feather. Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. Then repeat the visualization, going back down to Krishna's lotus feet while continuing to chant Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. If the mental picture of Krishna fades, which means disappears, open your eyes and gaze again. Then repeat the process of internal visualization 5 or 6 times. Do not be disturbed if in the beginning you can't keep the picture of Radha and Krishna in the mind. Because by vigorous and regular practice, a visualization will bring success. Within a few months of practice, you will be able to clearly visualize the divine couple smiling within your mind while you chant Hare Krishna in your heart. So, proof of the pudding is in the tasting. You have to try it. And so many people, I meet people and they say, "Oh, I read this book, Art of Chanting." I said, "That's nice. What did you think?" "Oh, it's nice. It's a good book. Good night." I said, "Did you apply any of the techniques or implement any of the suggestions?" "Techniques? Suggestions where?" I said, "Oh, I understand you read very, very tightly the book." It's almost like you gift someone a cookbook, Italian cooking, all the recipes, and so then later, after a few months, you meet your friend. You have that. You read that cookbook? "Oh yes, I read it." "Did you make anything?" "No." "Did you make any recipes? You made anything?" "No, I read the book. It's a very nice book." That's not the point. Although people do that, some people just read cookbooks and salivate. If you know what salivating means. If you don't, then ask your friend to translate into Hindi. Salivate means your mouth fills with water. Like when you see some good food, and see the aloo tikki wala, or see the ice cream wala or something, whatever. So you're reading a cookbook, and they have all these glossy colored pictures. Wow. So you can read the cookbook and salivate, or you can actually make the things in the book and experience the actual value of the book. When you read the cookbook and then apply the recipes and prepare the food there and offer it to your Thakurji, then you can actually experience the true value of the cookbook. Otherwise, simply reading and salivating has some value, I suppose, vicarious pleasure. But the real meaning of the book is to make recipes. So the real substance of this book is the techniques for concentration, meditation, improving. And when you apply them, then you derive the results, which is improved japa, exciting japa, enthusiastic japa, experiential japa, flavorful japa. Not, oh, here we go again, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. How dry, how boring, how uninteresting, what drudgery, how dry, how, ugh, do I have to?